Okay, good morning students. In last video we have discussed exercise 15.1 till question number 5. Now we are starting with the question number 6. What the question is? A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Okay, there is a bag. In a bag there are some candies of lemon flavors, only lemon flavors, no other flavor. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. Okay, Malini is not looking into the bag and she is randomly picking one candy out of the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? Now we can easily say that if the bag contains only lemon flavored candy, how she can have orange flavored candy? Okay, so orange flavor candy, number of orange flavor candy will be 0. Okay, so in this case, let's say this event of orange flavor candy is O, so probability of O will be 0. Okay, this is what we call impossible event. Okay, and we know that probability of impossible event is 0. Now what the second question is? Second question is a lemon flavored candy. She will pick up lemon flavor candy. Now the bag contains only lemon flavor candy, so it is 100% possible say that she will get a lemon flavor candy. She will not going to have any other flavor of candy. Okay, so this is what we call a sure event. Okay, because there is not another option other than lemon flavor candy, so it is a sure event. It is 100% that it will get that she will get lemon flavor candy, so this is called sure event. That is why probability of that event, let's say it is lemon flavor, so let's say it is the event is L, so probability of L is what? 1. This kind of questions can be asked for 1 mark. Okay, it is not that level of question. Okay, one of the most simple question. Okay, this is called impossible event, probability is 0. This is called the certain event or sure event. Okay, and its probability will be 1, of course. Okay, now the 7th question. What the question is? It is given that in a group of 3 students, okay, there are 3 students in a group, probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. okay, 2 students, you pick up any 2 students of that 3 students, and probability of not having, okay, and probability of not having same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that 2 students have same birthday? So, okay, so first of all what we have done, we have supposed here, we have supposed that if probability of 2 students having the same birthday, let's say the probability is P of E. Okay, this event is in the probability is P of E, and then probability of 2 students not having same birthday. If having same birthday is E, then not having same birthday becomes E dash. Okay, that we have studied earlier. If any event, probability of any event is this, then probability of not having the same event is its dash. Okay, now what is given here? It is given here that probability of 2 students not having the same birthday, it is given here, it is 0.992. so we need to find this probability of E, we need to find this. Okay, we know the formula, probability of E is 1 minus probability of E dash. Okay, now what is this E dash? E dash is 0.992. 1 minus 0.992 is what? 0.008. It means 0.008 is the probability that 2 students will not have 2 students will have same birthday. Okay, now The eighth question. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. 3 red, 5 black. So total 8 balls. A ball is drawn at random from a bag. What is the probability that the ball is drawn is red and not red? Okay, first we need to find this and this. Then we will find not red. See, a ball is drawn at random. A ball means only one ball. Only one ball is drawn randomly from the bag. Randomly means without looking into the bag. We are just randomly picking out any ball. What is the probability of that the ball is red, and what is the probability that it is not red? So that is the question. We have 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So total balls are 8. Okay, 3 red, 5 black. So total balls are 8. Now probability of red ball. Probability of red ball is, how many red balls are there? 3. Okay, and total balls are 8. So probability of red balls is 3 by 8. Okay, and not red. If red ball is R, then not red is, it is natural to have R dash. To find R dash, we know the formula, 1 minus probability of R. Okay, 1 minus probability of R. Probability of R is 3 by 8. First of all, we need to have the LCM of 8. To find the LCM, we have to multiply 8 here. So 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So probability of R dash is 5 by 8. That is how we can have the answer. Okay, now the next question. It is 9th question. Okay, this is the question. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. So 5 plus 8 plus 4 means total 17 marbles are there in a bag. One marble is taken out of the box at random. We have to take just one marble. Okay. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white and not green? So we have to do it step by step. First of all red, then we will find white, and then we will find not green. Now see, we have listed the numbers. Red marbles are 5, white marbles 8 and green marbles are 4. Total marbles are 17. What is the probability of red marbles? So probability of R, this red. How many red marbles are there? 5 upon total are 17. So probability will become 5 by 17. What are the white marbles? 8. Okay, total marbles are 17, so it will be 5 by 17. And not green. Okay, if green marble is, let's say probability of green marble is G, then not green becomes G dash. Okay, so to find this G dash, we know the formula 1 minus G. Now what is this G? If this is not G, if this is not green, then G becomes green. Okay, so this is the probability of having green marbles. Okay, and green marbles are how many? 8. How many? 4. So here to find this, we can have 4 divided by this 17. Now to do this, we have to take the LCM of 17. 17 ones become 17. 17 minus 4 is what? 13. Okay, so the PG dash is 13 divided by 17. Okay, that is how we can have the answer. Now the next question is question number 10. Okay, now this is the question. A piggy bank contains 100 50 paisa coin. So okay, 50 paisa coin is how many? 100. 1 rupees coin is 50, means 50 1 rupees coin, and 20 2 rupees coin, and 10 5 rupees coin. It is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. If means if this is the bank, okay, we just do it like this. It is equally likely that any of the coin can be fall out. Okay, and you should keep in mind one thing: equally likely does not means that probability of all are equal. Okay, here probability of falling of any is equal. Okay, there are two different things. Okay, now what the question is, what is the probability that coin 1, first question is, will be 50 paisa coin, the fallen coin is 50 paisa coin, and will not be 5 rupee coin. Okay, two questions are there. So we are dealing with the first question. What was the first question? That the coin is 50 paisa coin. So here we have listed the coins here. 50 paisa coin is 100 coins, rupees 1 coin is 50, 2 coins 20, 5 rupees coin is 10. So what is, let's take the event A as it will be the 50 paisa coin. Now how many 50 paisa coins are here? 100, and total coin is 180. So divide by 180, 0 0 get cut, so it becomes 10 by 18. We can again cut it by 2. 5 2s are 10 and 9 2s are 18. So that will be the property, that will be the probability of having 50 paisa coin. And what is the event B that we need to find? Will not be a 5 rupees coin. Okay, will not be a 5 rupees coin. And now we know that to find this will not be a 5 rupee coin, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract B dash from 1. Now what is B dash? Okay, now if B is not 5 rupees coin, then B dash becomes, this no will be, okay, taken out. So B dash becomes will be a 5 rupee coin. Okay, if B is the event that it will not be 5 rupee coin, then dash becomes it will be a 5 rupee coin. Okay, so if I subtract 1 from this, we will have the probability of B. See, to find this, okay, we have to cover this. Will be a 5 rupee coin. So how many 5 rupees coin are there? 10. Divide by total coins are 180. We can cut 0 0. We can take the LCM of 18. 18 minus what is what? 17. So we can have 17 by 18 as a probability. Okay, that is how we can have the answer. Okay, and you should keep in mind one thing, just do subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. Okay, thank you. And if you have any query, just get back to me. I will try to solve all of your queries. Okay, thank you.